Hey everybody, I'm Ethan James with the Honest Carpenter. It's like a blazing hot work day down here in North Carolina. I want to take an opportunity to step inside, cool down for a minute, and make a quick video for you. I don't normally post update videos. I prefer to make videos with like actual content in them, but there are some new developments with my channel and there's going to be a couple small changes going forward. So I wanted to make sure everybody was up to speed on those before they actually happen. Number one, I just crossed 10,000 subscribers. That's like a mind-boggling number for me. I started this channel a year ago on a whim. I never thought it would get this big, this fast. It's been a little bit dizzying at times, but it's been very rewarding overall too. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, for sharing my videos. It means the world to me. I promise I'm gonna keep making content and I'm gonna keep trying to make my content better as time goes on. Which brings me to my second topic today. I just acquired some shop space here in Raleigh. I haven't had a shop in years, not since I was in Greensboro, North Carolina. I had a very small, very functional shop that I did really simple custom woodworking projects out of for clients, for myself, even for local institutions like the Greensboro Children's Museum. To be honest, those are my favorite kinds of projects because they involve so much creativity. I never thought I'd actually have shop space here in Raleigh. Real estate here is so cost prohibitive. I've been working out of vehicles, a van, storage spaces, just kind of doing whatever I had to do to keep my tools and my business going. But by basically a stroke of luck, a little bit of shop space just sort of landed in my lap. And I'll be moving into it within 2 or 3 weeks here. What that means for the channel going forward is that I'm going to start to incorporate some woodworking videos in with my general carpentry videos. I'm not going to stop talking about houses. There are still tons of topics that I want to cover where houses are concerned. I'm also going to start trying to team up with other tradespeople in the future so that I can document their work, and that'll also help add more diversity to my channel. Really, I want to cover a lot of topics that I would not have been able to cover had I just kept filming the jobs that I was doing for clients, because I only do so many different types of jobs. But now with the shop space, with the potential for team ups with other tradespeople, I feel like my content is going to become a lot more diverse going forward. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you stick around. I hope you've enjoyed all the videos thus far and you enjoy the ones to come. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. Enjoy your 4th of July. Be safe, have fun, and check back in just a couple weeks for some new videos. Thanks for watching.